This video is an explanation whether how can you use PrizePicks without an ID. So in order to log in your PrizePick account without having to um have an ID code is that you need to sign up in order to have that. Right here you will state your email and a promo code, and if you don't have any promo code then you just press this little box right here and it will generate you a promo code in order to proceed. Next is you should enter your first name and last name. Then you should enter your date of birth. Lastly is you need to type in your address. All over, you need to create your password. Then your ID account must appear after you have confirmed and verified all of the steps that you have made.